How's it going, everyone? So ever since I got my scooter, I've been asked a whole bunch of questions about how does it handle on the highway. Well, I'm about to show you. So right now I'm at Mission Bay Park, and oh, by the way, I have my phone connected now to my GPS. So whenever I go to BMW Motorrad app and I type in GPS directions off the app, and then it automatically displays on my display right here, which is awesome. But anyway, ever since I got the bike, people are like, "Oh man, how does it handle on the scooter? Can you go on the highway? Does it go fast enough, etc., etc." So I only have 145 miles on this thing, and I'm about to jump on Highway 5 South here in San Diego. And I haven't got the first service done. I have to wait till 600 miles or so, but even though, I'll tell you how it does. Check it out. I'm just going to do one exit, then I'll get right back off, and then I'll start talking again. So let me wait for an opening. Here we go. So as you can see, the bike didn't struggle, it didn't bog down, I didn't have to go full throttle, nothing. And I was going, I think I went 78 miles per hour, no problem. And I don't go that fast, I just did that just right now for the video. If I jump on the highway, I'd probably go maybe 75 max, like if I'm passing a really, really big semi or a really slow car. But otherwise, I don't go much above 70. So the bike's perfectly fine on the highway. And right now, which is crazy, like this is the crazy part. You know how many times I've done this already? Thinking to downshift. And like I go to pull the brake, I'm like, oh, that's not the clutch. But coming to a stop, look, front brake only, coming to a stop. Just putting my foot down, right, no problem. And then just taking off. I have to get used to that. But it's, yeah, tremendously fun. Handles the highway perfectly fine. I don't know what the top speed of this thing is. After I get my first service done, I know there's a big long stretch of empty road way out east where there's no one around for like a mile, and then I'll see how fast this thing can go top speed. But I just did 70 whatever, 9 almost 80 miles per hour, no problem. Wasn't at full throttle. So there you go, handles perfectly fine, very agile. And so I looked up the weight of this thing, and it's not as light as you would think it is, but because the weight is so low and there's literally no weight up top up here, that's why it feels when you're riding it so incredibly light. And I encourage you, if you've never done before, go to a BMW dealership and you can test ride every bike there is. Sometimes I go there and get the S1000RR, or I get the new 1250 GS, or I just go test ride bikes. It's a lot of fun. But if there's a scooter around, go test drive it. Yeah, very agile, very easy to ride, and it's so comfortable. I can move my foot, so I have a whole bunch of different riding positions. I have the kind of laid back like this. I can move my feet back kind of up underneath me, like directly right here. Right, I could shift my butt over to one side. I could even put my feet up here where the gas tank goes, and I could just chill with my arm like this, like I'm sitting on a chair. It's so comfortable. There's many things I could do. I could kind of move my body, sit all the way around, and because there's nothing really in the middle, look at, I move my foot up and over here. Now I have both my feet on one side. What does it matter, right? A lot of options. So because of all these things, and the seat is like a big seat cushion anyway, like on a couch, it's so comfortable. I could probably ride this a long distance and not get uncomfortable on it, because it does well on the highway and is extremely comfortable, and I can move around a lot. There's a lot of different riding positions. So I will be taking the bike out in the twisty mountain roads so you can see me riding the twisty roads, and I'll give you my feedback on that. But the biggest question I've received is what I wanted to address in this video, which is how does it handle on the highway? And as you just saw, it does perfectly fine. It does 80 miles per hour, no problem, which is 15 miles per hour over the speed limit. So if I could do that, then I could do anything. And like I said, I usually ride at 70 miles per hour everywhere. When I'm driving the truck, when I'm riding the bike, that's usually just 5 miles per hour over is usually what I normally do. Alright everyone, so that's how it handles on the highway. Good agile little bike, lots and lots of fun. Go test drive one if you want to. And yeah, look forward to more videos with the scooter. Talk to you guys later.